Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Valerie, and we're at my home. So today we're going to take a first look and unbox the Nanoleaf mini triangles.
And Nanoleaf sent them to us for the review.
All right, let's check them out. Nanoleaf shapes mini triangles.
And they're Connect Plus, which means you can connect them together with triangles and hexagons. All three can be connected together.
Right, anything that has the Connect Plus on it. It comes with a little book. It comes with a little card that's got some ideas to how you can put together your little mini triangles. That's pretty cute. And with some QR codes so you can download the app for iOS or Android. Here they are. Oh, this is easy to open. Ooh.
Uh-oh, triangles are escaping.
Triangles, triangles, triangles.
Okay, let's take them all out here.
And there's a lot of triangles in here.
Well, how many?
9.
Nine
triangles.
triangles.
All right.
Baby triangles.
That's so
Look at that.
cute.
They're nice. I think cooking them together with the triangles and hexagons would be a lot of fun.
All right, so here's a power supply. Some green stickers, whatever those are for. Some little sticky things.
Well, I'll show you that in a second.
And here's a little controller.
Now, you have to have the controller. There's your power supply. Here's how they are. And you can see in the back, they got a little tiny little thing here that kind of swivels around a little bit. You basically stick those sticky tapes, these ones here.
Oh, those
go on here, right? Okay. And then that sticks to the wall. And then you connect them, all the triangles together with these. So you come here, and you see there's like power spots, right?
Mm-hmm.
So these are the connectors. They just snap on. It's pretty straightforward.
There's a connector.
All right, so see connector on both sides. You just pick where you want it to hook up, and you just snap on. That's it. They're hooked together. Boom.
Oh, that's cute.
So that's that. They're hooked together. Now they also have a control panel. All right, and check it out. It's
that was kind of home kit.
So you can actually just, if you got the right phone, you can touch your phone to it, and it'll actually pair it up. So it's pretty
nice.
Neat. Yeah, it's pretty neat. But you have to hook this up, so you're gonna need another one of those little connectors. All right, so just snap that on here, and then you snap it here, and there it is, all hooked together.
Oh, 2 triangles. Kind of makes almost like a
trapezoid.
Oh, is that what it's called?
Got to remember your high school algebra. Was it algebra? No, trigonometry. What was it called? I'm not sure. But anyway, whatever was in high school.
I thought it was geometry.
Geometry, that's it. Been a long time.
But you were the math guy.
I am sort of, but you know, what can I tell you? So anyway, so now the control panel is an on-off button, plus or minus to change intensity, play button, shuffle button, and then music, which is cool. It'll actually change the colors based on the beats of the music, which is pretty neat.
And they're also touch sensitive, right?
They're also touch sensitive, and supposedly you can do things like that.
That's cool. Why don't you plug them in so we can see what they look like?
Okay, so I'm going to plug them in. All right, so I'm going to hook up the power. Again, you just find an empty spot. And the way this connector works is you kind of do it at an angle. So you just find an open spot here, snap it on. So it takes a little bit before it comes up. Okay, I think we got it. All right, now, you notice the things are flashing as I talk, which is kind of cool, right? So on the app, I can sit here. There's a bunch of different things you can do in the app, a bunch of predefined routines. So like I can make hot sauce. So that's hot sauce. You can tell it looks like hot sauce. And I've got the intensity all the way up now. That's all the way up on intensity. But it's because it's on music, you see how it's like flashing as we talk. And then the other one I really like is Pop Rocks. I don't know why, but I like Pop Rocks. So that's Pop Rocks. It's loading up the scene. And away it goes and brings up the colors.
So there's a whole bunch of pre-installed scenes, and you can make your own scenes. So those are the Nanoleaf mini triangles. You can use them with the hexagons or the big triangles or anything else that uses Connect Plus from Nanoleaf. Look forward to checking them out.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you.